welcome back to my channel. Here I have this glass piece. Actually I took it from the shop where I wanted to take some glass and mirrors for the house, and they were trying to throw because they were cutting it in different shapes, and these were the leftovers, so I asked them to take it and they just gave me without any payment or money. So I have a lot of them which I will be using in different ways. And today the first piece I'm using in this way to make some tiny houses on it, to make just a decoration idea and those things. It was just in my mind to do something like this, so I created. And here I am preparing some homes out of cardboard, different sizes. I'm not measuring anything that how much width or length I need for each house. It's just a rough idea. You can go for any size, and if you want to prepare with the more details or for the measurement and those things, you can go for that, but for me it's fine. I just did without any measurement and sizes. And remember, if you do not have glass, you can use the wood piece as well, or the cardboard piece instead of this glass piece. So here I'm checking where I will be placing them. And as you know, it's a little bit difficult to stick the hot glue over the glass, because after getting cold it will be come out and those things. So here I have this craft paper which is having one side is glue. When you spray on it, it will start to be sticky. So first I will be applying this paper, craft paper glue one, on the glass where I need to place the first house, and then on top of this I will be using this white glue, and then I will be using some sides of the hot glue as well on it, on the sides as well. Then I will be sticking the first house, the big one, on the bottom, and then the same thing I will be keep doing for each house to stick it over the glass. So here I check the place where I need to put it. I spray some water on it, and I will be sticking this craft paper on it. And then the same procedure, I will apply some white glue and the hot glue to stick the house. In this way I will be preparing all of these houses I have prepared. I'm keeping them away a little bit from exact shape of the house. I mean, they are outward as well a little bit. And on the top one, I'm putting it in the middle actually, so I can put a rope behind it, a string behind it to hang the glass over it. And this is going to be the roof part of the houses, which I will be sticking it with the hot glue. This is how I have prepared all of the houses. Here you can see. And then the next step will be, I'm going to use some speckling paste or texture paste, whatever you call it. If you do not have this texture paste, you can use the tissues or even the newspapers with the white glue to cover all the houses. I'm just using this spackling paste or texture paste just to create some texture on it, because I was having this texture paste, so I decided to use it. If you do not have these things, you can go for the newspapers and those things as well. Using some different styles and texture for each house. And then after it get dry, all the texture paste will get dry, I will be using brown acrylic paint to create the wood texture on these houses. You can use any color of your choice you want. So I will be using different shades, like this light brown color, then I will be using the black color on top of this, then beige color, and those things, just to create and to get the look of the wood what's in my mind actually. So this is how I will be preparing all the houses. Here you can see it's all done, different textures and styles. And there I have now light blue, sky blue, or teal color, something like this. It is acrylic paint for the roof. it's just my choice. You can go for the colors of your choice you want, but I like this color to make it a little bit prominent on this way, so I decided to use this one. And on the same color I will be using some black and brown color as well to give it rustic look of the wood. And yeah, that's it. Here the same teal color, I'm applying it on a piece of cardboard as well. It's a thin paper, it's not very thick cardboard, to make it just the look of windows. So which I will be sticking here, different sizes according to the different sizes of the houses. I will be cutting this piece and then I will be sticking it over each house with the hot glue. I'm using white acrylic paint to create or to give the details of the windows on top of this light blue color or teal color. I'm wiping off some extra colors and those things from the glass. And after finishing all of the project, I will be again cleaning the glass because I'm going to apply some grass looks and those things. But before that, I'm using this masking tape or paper tape, half on the house and half will be sticking with the glass. So in this way it will protect it as well, and it will give more strength to apply the tissues, because I'm going to make some texture with the tissues and white glue to make the grass. So it's better to apply some masking tape on the bottom and on the roof part as well of each house, so it will be grabbing each other properly instead of having just the surface of glass. It's a little bit difficult to apply those things on it, so I secured these things by using the masking tape. So here I took some water and I put some white tissues in it, and I added some white school glue as well. And then here this rough texture I'm going to apply on each tape. I applied on the bottom of each house and on the roof as well. So here I'm applying it to make it looks like a grass growing, and some leaves looks something like this, whatever you call it. So after it got dry a little bit, I'm using here green acrylic paint. By the way, this texture of tissues is still wet because I wanted to upload the video today, so mine is still wet. But make sure if you are going to make these things, let the tissues dry completely, so when you hang it on the wall, the green color or glue doesn't come out from the grass and those things. I hope you understand what I mean. I'm making it in hurry just to upload the videos, so make sure you are leaving everything dry properly. So here I'm applying some green acrylic paint on each side and creating some looks of the grass and leaves as well. And here I have this gloss varnish, which I'm going to use only on the windows to make it looks like glass look and shine. Rest of the all house I will be leaving as it is, rustic look. We don't need to make it shiny and those things. I'm making just window shine properly. And here we are almost done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And here, this is going to be on the back side of the glass from the top until the bottom to make it the grip proper and to hold it properly as well. And here you can see, actually it was a little bit difficult to film it because it was quite long and the camera was in horizontal shape, so it was not covering all the picture properly, and if I want to cover it, it was very far. It was not showing every details. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will be making some new ideas in upcoming videos. Stay tuned to watch. Please subscribe to my channel, click on bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos, as you have been complaining that you are not receiving any notifications. So make sure you are clicking on bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.